Let me tell you when I got fired from Tampa Federal Credit Union. It was the best thing that could have happened to me, and it changed the direction of my life. I used to work at Tampa Federal Credit Union, and when I worked there, I was really motivated to become the branch manager, and I was a teller. And as a teller, I got the highest transaction, highest cross sales. In fact, they kept giving me bonuses, and I got this thing called Pi. And Pi was basically a bonus system, and I got it every single month. As a young adult, I would probably say I was like 18, 19 years old at this time. I wanted to be the manager so bad. And they put me to a branch here in Nebraska, and the idea was the branch manager was supposed to train me. However, corporate America, the way that works is the hierarchy that you can't just jump the line. She wasn't training me, so I would go over her head and put it. And I got to the point that I was speaking to the CEO of the company. Well, clearly that doesn't work well for the girl that's supposed to be training me because she kept getting in trouble. And even though I kept getting all these accolades and all these things, because she kept getting in trouble, she would make my life very difficult. I remember a time that I was sitting with clients, and I'm talking to one of the clients, and she would pick up my papers, throw it down, and the client's like, "Is she okay?" And I was like, listen, this happens all day long. All day long, she's going through all my papers. All day long, she's looking for any reason possible to try to get me fired. I remember one time, she tripped, and I caught her before she hit the floor, and then I got in trouble for touching her for sexual harassment. That was an awakening experience for me because now I'm here trying to help somebody to not fall on the floor, and I get in trouble for sexual harassment. And then I clocked out one time, and what happened was this lady came up, and I started helping this lady. So then whenever I finished helping the lady, and then I went to lunch. So this particular individual, what she decided to do was tell HR that I stole time, which is not true. And HR says, listen, Edward, we understand that you really didn't steal time. However, this person keeps making these complaints, so we decided to part ways. That probably was the best thing that could have happened to me because I decided to go back to school. I became a massage therapist. I eventually opened up a doctor's office, and I had a doctor's office that we had doctors. We had medical doctors, chiropractic, massage therapy. At first I did the therapy, and then I hired therapists and everything else. And I did that for 13 years. And it was always funny to me because when I would go to the bank, I was making substantially more money at that point. But this would have never happened if it wasn't that I got let go, or it wasn't that we had this problem with Tampa Federal Credit Union. So I thank Tampa Federal Credit Union for this opportunity, for allowing me to change careers, which was an amazing career choice for me. And then from there, I decided to go to school at 31, and then eventually become a lawyer, and now I have the law firm that I've had for 5 years. So thank you, Tampa Federal Credit Union, for everything you've done for me. You've changed the direction of my life, my family's life, and the whole family tree. Thank you for letting me go.